Hi, welcome. Now I am going to show you how to use a row function. Okay, so what I have here is the few cells here, and I will apply the row function on that and show to you what is the result. Okay, so what is row function? Okay, let's see what is row function. Okay, row returns the row number of a reference. Okay, so row function returns the row number of reference can be one cell or it's a range. Okay, it is without yes. Okay, so just I put without reference, what happens? 4, which is nothing but the row number 4. Okay, so similarly I just put actually the row number 4 of which cell? Okay, the current cell where the formula you enter. Okay, this cell. Okay, because you didn't say what is the cell, then it is the reference is the current cell. Okay, so for example I just put here equal to row of, okay, enter, you get 5, which is the row number of this cell. Okay, similarly you go to the 10th row equal to, I put a row of this, so which is a row of the A10, which is nothing but a 10th row. Okay, which is nothing but a 10. Okay, this is on the cell itself. If you put you apply this function, then it will return that cell's row number. Okay, or in other words, if you don't put you don't give the range, you don't specify the range, then it will return that current cell's row number. Okay, now I will do one more experiment here, which is equal to row. Now I am in some other cell, but I refer some other cell, which is this cell. Okay, G4. Okay, what happens? Row of G4, enter 4, which is nothing but G4 is the row number is 4. Okay, that's why it returns 4. Okay, similarly I'll say row of this cell. Okay, H5. Okay, so what is the answer? It's 5, because the row number of H5 is 5. Okay, similarly I also put a row of, the reference is nothing but I6, so the row number is 6. Okay, so now I also have a range. Okay, so this range, what I am going to do, I want to see what is row. Okay, if I put a row, what happens? Let's see. Okay, the range of a set or matrix or a list or a rectangular array. Okay, so I put a G8 to I10, so I press enter, it says 8, that means the first row. Okay, the first cell's row number, in other words, which is 8. Okay, so this is the row function usage. Okay, where can I use the row function? You can use it to find out what is the row you are calculating in formulas, or you can also refer the particular cell's row number. For example, I have an interesting exercise here, that what I'm going to do, the E, okay, column, I want the even cells colored. Okay, so how can I do that? Okay, I am going to use the row function to find out which row it is, and if the row is even, then I want to color it the background color of orange. Okay, so how can I do that? Okay, I just select the column E, then I will go to the conditional formatting, which is in home, conditional formatting. Okay, then what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a new rule. Okay, in the new rule, what I'm going to do, use the formula to determine which cells to format. I'm using a formula. Okay, I want to find out the row number of the current cell. Okay, and the row number is even, so I use the function even. Okay, is even of row means row returns the row number of the cell, so each cell. Okay, here, and if it is even, then I want to color it. Format, go to fill, I want the probably the orange color. Okay, then I press OK. What happens, you can see here the even rows are colored. Okay, so this way you can use any coloring formatting. Also, you want to find out the row number. Okay, what is the row number of that cell, you can use the row function. Okay, and it colors the whole column, you can see. Okay, so I hope this example is useful to you to understand what is row function and how you can use it. Okay, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and give a like, as well as leave your comments. The subscription button is already there in the video, you can press and subscribe, and God bless you.